Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's the last day of our journey through the Aosta Valley, which we bid farewell to at the foot of Mont Blanc and its impressive glacier.
And if you like our video, do not forget to like it, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when we upload a new video.
As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, today we end our trip through the Aosta Valley, the beautiful Alpine region of Italy. We've been truly amazed by the beauty of each of its valleys, especially the power of the waterfalls and rivers that run through them. And as the grand finale of this adventure, we head to the foot of Mont Blanc and its majestic glacier, starting with a visit to the small village of Entreves. A clear day allows us to begin the visit enjoying views of Mont Blanc and its impressive glacier. At the foot of this immense granite peak lies Entreves, a small village within the municipality of Courmayeur, located at the confluence of two beautiful alpine valleys, Val Veni and Val Ferret, whose mountain streams meet near this small village to form the Dora Balti River. The location where Entreves sits was likely inhabited since prehistoric times, although the village itself was built during the Middle Ages. The oldest buildings still visible today date back to the early Middle Ages, such as the fortress in the heart of the village, which belongs to the Parcerin d'Entreves family, a noble family from the Aosta Valley. Back then, the village's economy was based on livestock and agriculture. The surrounding valleys served as alpine pastures and farmland for producing grains, cheese, and cured meats. Even today, many of the buildings that once were barns and stables have been converted into hotels and restaurants. Behind the fortress stands the village's old chapel, still in use today, dedicated to Saint Margaret. Although the exact year of construction is unknown, it was already mentioned in a pastoral visit in the year 1567. Near the church, there is a structure with a beautiful arch, marked with a plaque that reads *Les Écuries de Château*, the stables of the castle, suggesting that this building once served that purpose. We arrive at the fortress, now privately owned and only visible from the outside. It is a three-story building adorned with beautiful windows, restored but faithful to their original 14th and 15th century design. From the castle, we continue strolling and enjoying the streets of this charming village, made up of old barns and stables now turned into homes, ending our visit in a curious and unexpected way. From Entreves, we head just a short distance, about 3 kilometers, and soon arrive in Courmayeur. Courmayeur, with around 3,000 residents, is a well-known tourist destination for skiing. The main street running through the historic centre is Via Roma, full of restaurants and hotels that come alive in the winter with tourists enjoying over 100 kilometers of ski trails in the area. The walk along Via Roma isn't long, but you can always wander off into the side alleys, quickly reaching a small square with a lovely viewpoint. In this square, we find the church of St. Pantaleon, built in the 18th century, although its bell tower likely dates back to the 11th or 12th centuries, and features an interesting main altar made of black marble. In front of the church is the building of the Courmayeur Alpine Guides Society, the oldest in Italy, founded in 1850. It also houses a museum opened in 1929, dedicated to the history of mountaineering and the guides of this daring sport, who are honored in several monuments in the square. And it's in this square where we bring our visit to the Aosta Valley to an end, the beautiful alpine region that is undoubtedly worth visiting and to which we will surely return to keep exploring.